Where does your money go? Said we're going to be transparent. You've paid your invoice. Where are we spending your money? Well, obviously outside of the cost of your project itself, the access equipment, the waste disposal, the cost that we pay out. There's our own materials as well, whatever we require to do your clean. Labor. Don't like the word labor really, because it makes our guys sound like minimum wage lackeys, which they really aren't. They really, really aren't. These guys, the training that these guys go through, I feel like I'm at nursery school compared to these guys. People think I'm the expert, but compared to those technicians, I know nothing. So we pay them well. I don't deny it. We do pay them well because, well, it's for your own benefit, really. It's the longer guys are with us, the better they are at their job. And our technicians are widely acknowledged to be pretty much the best in the entire country. So speaking of training, our guys are all software system certified applicators. I am, we all are in the company, to be honest. They've got working at height regulations, safety harness training, asbestos awareness, COSH, IPAF, armloads of acronyms, lots and lots of fancy letters, but basically every course they could possibly need, every one of our technicians has completed those courses. They have passed whatever exams are required, and they have the qualifications needed. There's also PPE. We don't go half measures on PPE. Don't cut corners. I'm quite fond of my guys, really, to be honest, and quite fond of their families. And we are not prepared to create orphans for the sake of a quick buck. So no, we pay well. We pay well for wages. We pay well for training. We pay well for PPE. No half measures when it comes to safety of our guys. What else is there? There's the background stuff. Office team who prepare the RAMs and get everything ready. Look after us. Look after you as a customer. They are an amazing, incredible, dedicated bunch. We've got, for example, Chloe here is one of them. Now don't let this young face fool you. I've never known such a wise, knowledgeable head.
Oh, that's nice.
On such young shoulders. Seriously, Chloe.
Okay, thank you, Chris. I'll leave you to it.
What else? Then you got your surveyors, people like Muggins here, myself and my team, who come out and assess your jobs and make sure that everything goes smoothly, make sure that we're liaising throughout the job and keep in touch with you after to make sure that everything's gone well. And other than that, do we want our business to be sustainable? Of course we do. We need to make a profit because we want to make sure we're around to maintain any warranties. We want to make sure we've been around for many years now. We want to make sure we're around for many years to come. We want to make sure we're around for the next generation. We want to be giving it the full rhino for a long time to come.